Did you know that it's possible to change a cell's color based on another cell's value? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do it. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have a table with persons and 2 columns which contain their earnings for January and February. You want to make the cells in plan column turn green if the earnings in February were higher than in January. Click on cell E7, which is the first cell in the plan column. Then go to the Conditional Formatting button on the Home tab. Choose New Rule from the menu that pops up. In the box that appears, pick the last option called Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. In the description, type a formula that will either be true or false. Type $sign and then D7 is bigger or equals to C7. This means that if the number in cell D7 is bigger than or equal to the number in cell C7, something should happen. Now click Format button to fill the cell with the color you want. In this case, we choose green color. Then click OK after you've chosen the color. And then click OK button again. And you can see that it works. The earnings in February are higher than or equal to those in January, and so the cell E7 turned green. You can use this same rule for other rows by dragging the cell down, and it will work for those rows too. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use conditional formatting with a formula in Excel. If you have found this video helpful and it solved your problem, I would really appreciate if you leave a like below and comment to help other viewers. See you soon.